online. Now, you need to know 3 things in order to get your first $1,000 check sent to your home. You need to know first is you can't be doing anything that requires technical skills. I'm assuming here that you don't know how to program a website, or you don't know how to do that sort of video editing sort of stuff. You need to start with a business that is not technical if you want to make your first $1,000 check. Otherwise, you will create obstacles, okay? Number 2 is you need to do something that doesn't require a significant investment or a lot of money or any money whatsoever to get started making money. Because if you are spending money before you are making money, then it's a much more difficult situation. So don't do that. And the third thing is, well, before I go into the third thing, let me emphasize about not spending a lot of money when you start. Because Hollywood, I was at a bar when I met this guy, a multi-millionaire. I had heard about him on internet forums, and I asked him, I said, how do I make money online? I didn't spend any money to learn how to do this. And I made $25,000. That's $5,000 you just saw rain down right there. That's another $1,000 right there. I've got more money than I know what to do with, and I don't live very large. Now, the third thing you need to know is you need to do something that doesn't require a lot of your time. If to earn your money, you have to work for every dollar. You are going to be just another glorified slave.